Hi friends, what's up? I hope you all are fine. Today I am playing this game Escape game 50 rooms and I have cleared 36 rooms, but in the 37th room there is a very interesting puzzle in which I got stuck for hours. Let's see the puzzle. So here see this, we are trapped in this car and we can see that all the puzzle I have completed, but in the last puzzle I got trapped. Here, see what we have to do. We have to move all the three balls in the upper part, in which the upper arrow is given as shown in this here, and all these three balls in the down part. The problem is that there is only vacant place and only one ball can be shifted. And one rule is also there, that when a ball moves up, when the green ball moves up, it cannot be brought down. So in this way, and when a blue ball moves down, it cannot be brought up. So in this way, this is a very confusing puzzle, because if two balls come together, they cannot be separated, and if two balls come together, then now these balls cannot be moved up. So it's a very hard puzzle and it takes a lot of time for me to crack. You also, everybody should also try that, but it's a very hard puzzle to crack. Let's see how this is done. You also try, everyone must try this puzzle in their copy and pen, and you can see that it's very difficult to do so.